Good morning, everybody. We are here. Nice day outside today, but nonetheless, sorry I'm 3 minutes late, whatever it is right now. I was actually on the phone with Kraken support, trying to get them to expedite this affiliate link, man. I don't know what they're taking so long for, but we got to get the affiliate link for Kraken so we can get things cracking. All right, never mind. That's enough of my jokes for today. Who do we have first in the chat? We've got Frank first in the chat, as always. Dark Bro, what's going on, man? Good morning to you, Nick F. Anime Theory, how you doing? Dark Bro, anime. Chris, what's going on? Chris, Frank F, or CFV. I don't know why I always say Frank F. It's Frank CFV. Mobro, Dark Bro, Mobro, Frank, Mobro, Frank, Mobro, Frank. PS5, Future Game, PS5, Dark Bro. Thank you for the super chat. Dark Bro says, I love this family. Let's go shout out the bros. Let's do it, man. Shout out to all the bros right now. Thank you for being a bro. See, I love it, man. I love it. Dark Bro, PS5, Pika, what's going on? Pika, Mobro, Dark Bro, PS5, J-Bones, baby, Pika, Mobro, J-Bones. You guys were active, man, or I was late. King Mamba, Mobro, Kevin Cowles, how you doing? J-Bones, Mobro, Dark Bro. We got Mobro, Caesar, CDWit, J-Bones, Pika, King Mamba, Dark Bro, King Mamba, Keith, Outdell Bro, John, King Mamba, Mobro, King Mamba, Mobro, J-Bones. I was so late, dude. This is ridiculous. Frank, Pika, Frank, Mark, Pika, Mobro, Michael, MLG, Ryan, Maya, Keith, Kevin. We get Mark, Superfly, Ali, Sean, Pika Power, and Chris. Oh my goodness. What's a good price to sell Ape? Chris, actually a really good question, man. Ape is kind of an anomaly because we don't really have much trading history to find out where the levels of support and resistance are. If it bounces back up, okay, this is based on an hourly chart here. This is all the data we have. If it bounces back up, we're going to have some resistance in this area of $7 per share. It does seem as though we've got some nice support around $4.75 per share. As you can see here, based on bouncing off this area several times, boom, 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 and rising again. And then we ran into some resistance in this area, and it couldn't get back above, so it fell down in. So you could use this level as a channel if you wanted to. If it doesn't break back above $7 per share, it starts to turn. Maybe a decent like range for a technical trader to sell in. But another way to look at it, because Ape and AMC should have a similar or the same value, anytime Ape would go above AMC could be an indicator that it's overvalued and should be sold. And that's how you would arbitrage the price difference between the two stocks there. So a couple different ways to look at it because it is so new. These technical levels may not hold up as well as something that's been trading for a long time. But this is the channel that we've basically got right now. Kind of tight, $7 to $4 there. But nonetheless, I believe you could arbitrage the difference if AMC were to fall down and Ape were to rise up. Could be a decent time to look at that as well. Man, oh man. Dude, Luna Classic is just... New account. I got locked out of my other accounts because of an long story. I've been a member since January. I love it, Pika. Pika? Oh, yes. We got Pika with a little astronaut now and the blue name. Better hit that like button on your way in or just smash it. Listen to Keith, baby. And that's why he's an X. I'm sure. Yeah. Don't be locking people out of their accounts. Obligatory. Just everybody calm down. Super Vandal. Everybody calm down in here. If we got Volt Inu getting listed on Gate.io tomorrow. Very nice. Ali. I can't put dollar signs in my eyes, man, but you can screenshot it and put them in there if you want. Thank you very much, Ali, for the super sticker, man. Really appreciate that. Man, Binance did not do a good thing messing with the community. Just saw your last video as I was busy all day long. Hopped into this. Yeah. Dr. Manga, man. Very strange to me. But if we come out here, where are we at? I got it up on the... Because I was getting some comments. People like, yet. They're not going to implement it yet. And so on. And I mean, it says, I mean, clear. This is English, right? So they will be burned. Burn's expected to go live on September 20th. Okay, great. After the proposal is submitted. Awesome. Deposits, withdrawals. Hold on, what do we have here? I got to see what this is. Pika Power gifting 5 green names. Guys, John Jay got a green name from Pika. Jason got a green name from Pika. Nufo got a green name from Pika. And Sarah Destek Croy got a green name from Pika. We got Markel, John Jay, Jason, Nufo, and Sarah Destek Croy with green names. I love it, guys. I love it. You guys, Pika, everybody. I need 9 dead serious. Pika just gifted 5 memberships to people. You guys better welcome these new green names, but please, 99 of you, give Pika a massive shout out for gifting those green names. That is extremely generous. Pika, I mean, my goodness, Pika's incredible, guys. Green names galore. Everybody better be saying a little thank you, fist bump, thumbs up, whatever you want to do to Pika Power right now. Pika, thank you very much for gifting those green names. Absolutely appreciate that. And hopefully the 100 people in here tell you how amazing you are as well. My goodness, I love it. I love it. Thank you for the new bros, Pika. Heck yeah, with the green names. Good job, Pika. Lineman Dave, thank you, Pika Power. Thank you, Fairgrounds. You guys are awesome. And I want you to do that because that was extremely generous. So thank you very much, Pika. And guys, get your thank yous out as we go over this Binance update right here. But as of 9/20, Binance is talking about their deposits. Transactions will be taxed by the Terra Luna Classic network before it reaches Binance. The balance will be credited to your Binance account after the 1.2% deduction by the network. So deposits will have the 1.2% tax. Users will receive the withdrawal amount minus withdrawal fees charged by Binance and the 1.2% tax deduction by the network. Withdrawals are going to be taxed. However, this is the important part. Spot and margin trading for LUNC and USTC, as well as relevant services on Binance, Binance staking, Binance savings, etc., will not be affected by this tax burn. Any trades on the Binance platform will not see the 1.2% burn tax. That is a major, major hit. I don't know why they are going against the network. I don't know why they are going against the community. And I don't know why they are ignoring the blockchain and not burning Terra Luna Classic. But as of right now, that is the decision they have made. And we know anybody can change their mind. So if you guys are on Twitter, if you're somewhere, voice your concern with them. Let them know that it's not right not to follow the blockchain. People don't have to trade Terra Luna Classic. They don't want to trade Terra Luna Classic and get burnt. But it's not right to not follow the blockchain. So keep that in mind. The Binance is not going to be burning as of right now. Welcome to the new bros and broettes with the generous person. Fairground Fun Day, man. Pika is extremely generous. Binance better get with the program. Dark Bro, I'm telling you, Binance is a huge platform with massive volume too. So I don't know why, man. I don't know why they're doing this. So my 8689 took my money and put it collateral for cash secure puts. Never looked back. Just earning money. Frank, I love it, dude. Go Pika Pika. Oh yes. So if they hold such a huge amount, how does that supply get burned? Would it not be the same as staking? So Sean, no, they're not. If they don't burn, that amount that they hold will not be burned. So when you go to, I don't use Binance, but if you guys are on Binance and you're transacting on Binance, you would expect every transaction to see that 1.2% burn tax, as it should, considering that's what's implemented on the blockchain. They have said, no, we are not going to tax you 1.2%, and we are not going to burn that 1.2%. So burns are going to get hit hard, okay? Burns are going to get hit hard if Binance doesn't participate. Doquan bribes CZ with hot dogs. I don't know where you guys come up with this stuff, man. It is possible, Dr. Manga, but I don't know where you come up with it. So stupid, really, I don't know why they keep avoiding what the people... Ali, that's one of the best ways. That's one of the best ways to have people turn their back on you, man. I don't know. I mean, if you, it's one thing if they can like make a compromise or something, which they might think they're doing with deposits and withdrawals, but it's possible, and it's not their coin to make a decision on what to do with, right? It's not. They don't own the blockchain. The people who are creating these changes here are making the blockchain. Like, you can't ignore. Do they think that they can just go out and print another 50 million Bitcoin if they wanted some more Bitcoin? I think they might think that. I don't know. I don't know how you ignore the rules of the blockchain. So glad I sold some MON at 74 cents. They can never hold a gain. Nice, Keith, man. Very good. Yeah, I wasn't really kicking myself for selling at 66 cents the other day. Coinbase relist Luna with Sky. Yes, Jason, if Coinbase would relist it, if Weeble would add the buy button back on there, I believe we would see some very nice action. Good evening, Clay and everyone. Severodeste Croy, that green name looks so good on you. Ooh, yes. Severodeste Croy, I love it. Invested more into Terra Luna this morning here in the UK. Very nice, Fairgrounds. Good morning, Sarah. Absolutely peak up. Good evening from the Netherlands. Is LUNC mineable? If so, then burning it wouldn't make much sense. Or am I wrong? Dennis, it's not mineable, okay? But you could be wrong essentially, because usually when a coin is mineable, it caps at a certain level. It's done being mined at that level. So there are some possibilities where you could be wrong in that statement, but you would be correct in that statement up until a point where it's no longer mineable. But Terra Luna Classic is not mineable. so therefore, no. At this point in the game, it's more of a staking game where you can earn rewards by staking. And it's a proof of stake network at this point, not a proof of work network. But to be honest with you, I don't know if they can print more coins or what that looks like. Because we know that when it was trying to peg UST to a dollar, yes, it printed more coins. That's how we got 7 trillion coins in the first place. I don't know if that feature is still available. Could it be the Binance would lose money with LUNC? Say they would make or have $100,000 in LUNC sold. Price goes up. That same amount of LUNC is sold, but it's more than $100,000. Kalani. It wouldn't necessarily make sense that they would lose based on the burn tax. So they would be burning, yes, okay, along with the overall blockchain. They would be burning those tokens. But they make their money based on not on how much LUNC they hold necessarily, because they hold that LUNC as collateral for people that are wanting to trade it on their platform. So think about it like this, man. When you deposit it, like if I deposited my money onto Voyager, okay, Voyager was technically holding that. It looked like it was Voyager's, but it was mine, right? It was collateral for when I wanted to withdraw my money. And it's the same deal for Binance. It might look like it belongs to Binance, but it's because it's collateral on their platform for those that are depositing and using Terra Luna Classic to trade on there. So it's not necessarily that they would be losing money. It's still the people's coin, right? And if they're not trading, because they may own some of their own, right? And if they're not trading it, if they're just simply holding, they won't be burning and therefore losing money on it. But that is one way to look at it, is yes, they don't want to be hit with that 1.2% tax. But at the same time, these exchanges, man, they're very tricky in the way that they believe these coins we deposit are their coins, as opposed to your coins that you deposited. Michael! Fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump. Michael, man, thank you very much for the fist bump. This dude is by far the most consistent player in the game. We got fist bumps all around, ladies and gentlemen. I love it. Oh my goodness, what do we got going on right here? We've got the QQQ dropping hard. Golly bum. Now I gotta look. I actually may be back in the green on these puts that I bought. Not exactly sure. Let me go look at that really quick. Who would have guessed it would be tanking that big right there? Let's go take a look at that really quick, and then we will... I will return in like 2 seconds. So, give me a sec. Oh, nope, wrong one. You guys gonna, oh, that would be dangerous, man. If I started to hold my phone in my hand and you guys were on big screen, oh, no, thank you. All right, so let's see what this looks like really quick. Talks amongst each other as I go to see what this looks like right here. Oh, yep, it is looking good right now. Here's you guys' decision that you need to make. You guys already know the drill. Make or take, make or take. What do? We make or take right here. We are currently up 47.89% on that put. 47.89% on that put. I want to know what you guys think right now. Let's see. So we're going to guarantee ourselves a 10%. Let's see. Limit. Let's put that on there. And stop. What am I at? $1.10. Okay. We got that on there. Make or take. Make or take. Take. Make. Ooh. All right, so we got massive takes in here right now. I'm liking that. I do have a stop loss and take profit on there, so I'm guaranteed at the moment. Currently up 59%, looking very good right now. Very happy with that movement. 60%, 63%, looking nice today. What do? We're saying make and take, looking like it's falling very nicely there. 60%, I'm happy with 60%, man. What do you guys think? Take. Ooh, that nice red line there. Okay, 75, 78%, 80%, looking good. 77, 78, 77. All right, it's looking very good right now. 79, 77, 76%. You guys still saying take? All right, we're saying take. Looking good today. We're gonna have to hit it with I say 80% close. Let's take it, man. Sell to close. Do I need to take those limits off? Let's see. All right, I gotta take those limit orders off there. Hold on, give me 2 seconds, guys. Gotta take these orders off of here. Cancel the advanced order. Yes, cancel that. All right. Dude, cancel. What are you doing? All right, hold on. No. I want to come here. Yes. Great. This. Sell to close. And let's just take it. Confirm that. Filled. Boom! 93% gain. I'm happy with it, man. I'm happy with it. 93% gain. Guys, that was... Listen, let it continue to come down. That was solid, man. That was solid. Let it come down if it wants to come down. That was a 93% gain. That was actually... All right, great. Yeah, sorry I disappeared off the screen for a second. We are coming back here. I'm happy with that one. I'm really happy with that one. All right, that was a good move. Let it continue to come down. I'll be okay with it. My goodness. Even if it goes up to a 200% gain. 100% gain, man. That was a good one. Picking your nose, Clay. You wish, Simon. You wish. Nah, man. Looking good. It can come down even further if it wants to come down further. They expired tomorrow, so they're not as volatile as something else. It would have been a better gain, but I did get in this area right here. I did not get in at the peak or anything, and this was a strong decline right here. So, nonetheless, man, let it come down if it wants to come down right now. 93% gain. Very, very satisfied with that. You guys are awesome, man. You guys chose well on that one. You guys definitely chose well on that one. Thank you very much for that. Looking good, man. Good stuff, Clay. Check out Party City, bro. Party. Everybody goes there for Halloween. This is true, man. I got a Party City near me. So this is true that everybody goes there for Halloween. Not really too much for birthday. I've been there for birthday parties as well, but Party City is good. Claybro bringing us lunch with the 273 feet. I mean, could I buy lunch for everybody in here? What's lunch cost? $10? Yeah, do you guys want a pizza party or something? You guys want a pizza party? I don't know what the people want in here. Pizza party? Golly, but I would be too nervous. Like, I'm solid. I always want to go back and look at it to see the shoulda, coulda, wouldas and the woulda beens. And I always, when I get out, I kind of want it to tick back up if I was playing a put. If I was playing a call, I would want it to tick back down. But look, man, we're new year, new you. Shoot, we can start a new year in September. Solid with a 90% gain. Watch it go up to a 300% gain. But either way, man, if you hit 100% gain every stinking day, whoo, you're doing good. Had to subscribe to your channel after Matthew Perry's channel. Said you had some good knowledge, and we're here to hear you out. Raul, very nice, man. I love Matthew Perry. Matthew Perry's a good dude. Glad he was sending people over here. And yeah, if you guys don't subscribe to Matthew Perry either, here's the thing. You know, we've got a platform, and we've got a lot of people that are interested in the exact same stuff. And I like Matthew Perry. He's a good guy. I like a lot of these guys, right? Especially if they share I mean, if I think that they're completely wrong, I'm not going to be like, I'll go follow this guy. You know, if somebody's on their platform saying that stock trading is stupid and crypto is worthless, I'm not going to be like, go listen to that guy. But if somebody's got a slightly different perspective, because I would tend to be slightly more conservative, right? And I think you guys have kind of judged that by now, that I'm slightly more conservative when it comes to gains and expectations and things like that. So if you've got Matthew Perry, right, and he's like, oh yeah, LUNC's guaranteed to go to $1, man. Here's how it, as long as they say, here's how it can get there, I'm fine with it. I don't want anybody just like, off dreaming in golly bum, now it's ripping lower. I'm watching it go lower. I don't want anybody just off dreaming in nowhere land saying it's going to do things. If they can back it up, get that perspective, man. All day. I'm subbed to Matthew since like 2021, but I can't chat because I'm not a member. Oh man, they only do member chats? That's tough. Guillermo, thank you for grabbing that green name. Guys, we need 284. Welcome Guillermo's in the chat right now. If you are not an active chatter, please welcome Guillermo. And shout out Pika again for getting 55 new members in the chat right now. 93%. Stig. 93%. It was a solid make, dude. It was a solid make. Very solid make. I don't know how often I've had over 93% gains. I'm typically too conservative to wait until they get that long, man. Especially on a trade, like a day trade. These options, all these options are day trades, man. So I really don't know how often. I did over 100% on. I swing traded. What is it? Clovis. I swing traded Clovis. Got in at 92 cents and sold it at like $2.15. I think is where my line's at on there. Swing traded that for slightly more than 100% gain. But yeah, dude, that's among the tops. I know some of these people they hit like 2, 3, 400% gains. Shit, that's too nerve-wracking for me, man. I mean, if it was like $100 trade or something, I would probably be okay seeing what happened with it. But it gets nerve-wracking at times, man. Guillermo, look at the welcome for you, man. Yes, man. Started investing on Luna Classic in May, and as of right now, I'm on $2,000 profit, and this is because Matthew Perry has some good information about Luna. Raul, dude, I love it, man. Valadez Reyes. Reyes, man, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that last name incorrectly, but Raul, I'm pretty sure that's how you say your first name there. I love it, man. I love it. Anytime anybody makes some money, let us know. Be an inspiration to everybody else in the chat right now that thinks that it's impossible to make money in the stock market. Look, it's not impossible. The stock market's falling, and I made some money on that QQQ put. Terra Luna Classic is one of the most trending coins on the internet and in the world right now, and it's making people lots of money on the way up. Rocky, thank you very much for the... Everybody loves kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. Yes, thank you very much, Rocky. What a bro, man. Loving that super sticker there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You think that repegging... Guillermo, I actually do not think that's a good idea. Let me put it this way. If they found a way and they actually solved the problem, yes, I think it's a good idea, okay? I truly don't believe that they have solved the problem. And I could be naive in that. I could just be a little cynical in that. But it's almost like a moth being drawn to the flame, man. It is excellent utility. And ooh, that flame looks so good. Let's go find out what it is. Let's see what that... And then, you know, the moth burns up. So, it is tempting to want to repeg UST. But man, I am telling you right now, if it is not 100% solid, it is probably not a good idea. Because if they've exploited it before, trust me, because I would do the exact same thing, they will exploit it again. And it will cause many, many problems for Terra Luna Classic. Profiting $500 right now in Luna. Very happy. I hope we can go higher and higher and higher. 10 cents, maybe even $1 in the long run. Hey, very nice. You know, I do believe that it can go to those levels if the burns work. Okay? Without burns, I believe we're looking at a price point between half a cent and a cent during a decent bull run. If we burn 90% of the supply, that's when I'm comfortable with prices between like 10, 20, and 30 cents with a bull run. If we burn 90% of this, 99% of the supply, that's when I start to become good with prices around $1, $2, maybe even $5 during a massive bull run. So we need a lot of conditions to be met, absolutely, but I do believe the gains are possible. If I transfer my wrapped Luna from Coinbase to MetaMask wallet, if I want to sell, can I swap it on Uniswap to Ethereum and send it back to Coinbase for USD? So MLG, theoretically, yes. If your wrapped Luna is on the Ethereum blockchain, if you send that from Coinbase to MetaMask, you should be able to Uniswap that back to Ethereum and then send that Ethereum back to Coinbase and close it out. I don't know what your wrapped Ethereum or what your wrapped Luna is or what blockchain it's on or anything like that, but you are correct. If that's what you've got, you should be able to transfer it over there, swap it back to Ethereum. You know, you might get hit with some gas fees and stuff every time you transfer, so you got to keep that in mind. But you should be able to swap it over there, transfer it back to Ethereum, move your Ethereum to Coinbase or whatever other platform you want to move it to, and then close it out and cash it out for your US dollars or USDC, you know, whatever coin you wanted to transfer it to on the Coinbase platform. But yes, that's how you should be able to do it, assuming that it is on the Ethereum blockchain. Yes, I'm concocting a potion. Harry Potter with the potions, man. Ooh, is it a good potion? Bad potion? What's up with Clay, bro? You know, Binance has been 1.2 burn tax on deposit withdrawals. It's still better than nothing. Hidden Garden. Yeah, 100%, man. I agree that it is better than nothing. Undoubtedly, man. Undoubtedly. I would like to see 1.2% burn tax on everything, though. You know, I mean, if it's happening on the blockchain, I think it should happen on the exchange as well. And look at this bad boy continuing to hit some new lows right here. Is anybody else in puts or anything on the QQQ right now? I mean, should we be cheering anybody else on? Because this gain that we got in right here probably would be about 110% gain right now. So think about that. You're still making more and more and more money as it goes lower if you're in those puts. So is anybody out there? I mean, that was a nice fall. I don't know if that fall's sustainable. That was pretty heavy after that trend line that we had on the chart there. Should we be cheering anybody else on? Does anybody else have puts or calls or anything on the QQQ today that we need to look out for and keep our eye on it because it is just getting blasted right now. LUNC to a nickel puts me in a modest. Oh, outdoors. Listen, I don't want to excite you too much, right? I really don't. I don't want to hype anybody up to the sense that they don't start thinking clearly, or that they stop thinking clearly. I guess I should word it that way. But I do think that LUNC to a nickel is an absolute possibility, man. I don't think that we need to burn 90% of the supply to see that. It's probably somewhere around 50 to 70% to conservatively see it back there at its previous peak market cap. I don't know what you consider a modest retirement either. You know what I mean? Like, if you're like, oh yeah, it's only gonna be $2 million. Dude, $2 million is all you make your entire working career. 40 years, man. Your income is $2 million. So I think that you would be doing very well. But nonetheless, dude, I hope you hit it so bad, man. I hope you hit it so bad. I want you guys to have that one winner. You know what I mean? I absolutely want. If it's LUNC, great. If it's not, if there's some guy out there, some genius creating some coin right now that nobody knows about, and it's that, perfect. If it takes another 5 years or something for something to kick off and be your winner, don't give up before you hit your winner, man. Don't give up before you hit your winner. Picking your butt on the live was a classy move. Hold my tea. Thank you, I think. If you think, LUNC, please don't delegate to all nodes. They didn't vote for anything like 1.2% burning rate or stake and always voted abstain. And their voting power is almost 20%. Yeah, Marvin, that's a good way to look at it. LUNC DAO is one that has been very active in building up Terra Luna Classic. Bronsoninho is, I think. Bronsoninho. Bronson is a good guy, man. Binance is going to burn 1.2%. Yeah, Binance is going to burn 1.2% of deposits and withdrawals. Right now, they said none of the trades are going to have 1.2% burn taxes. No options on the QQQ, but buying a long-term investment position. Cheaper prices for me. Very good, Frank. So you're overall buying the QQQ then. Not playing options on it. You're loading up for the long term. Hey, which is great, man, because if you look, this is the overall market, guys. The QQQ follows the NASDAQ, okay? And if you're looking at the weekly chart, you would expect some conservative movement and sustainable upside in the overall NASDAQ. So if you're like Frank and you're buying the QQQ and getting in at these seemingly lower prices right now, we hit 400. Just to get back to the all-time high. And then, hey, 10 years from now, QQQ doesn't move extremely fast, but 10 years from now, the QQQ might be sitting at $1,300, right? As the economy continues to grow and globalization continues to, I guess, increase, or whatever the best way to word that would be, the QQQ experiences steady growth along the way. So not a bad long-term investment. I don't know if it's necessary. If you're going to be short-term trading it, you probably got to go with options. It doesn't. I don't think it moves enough to be like a short-term swing trade. It would be more conservative if you were short-term trading the QQQ and you weren't playing options. Same deal with the SPY. 297 puts going. He's got some 297 puts going. Bronson, very nice, man. Hopefully you don't see a rebound then. Hopefully you get to see this continuation of the downtrend right here. Since I'm out, I no longer need my trend line on there. Let's see what we got for you, man. See if we can get a trend line going for you here. And you still might see, I don't know where to connect unless we forget about these highs up here. I wouldn't know where to connect that trend line unless you want to be a little bit more aggressive and look at your trend right here, man. Look at it. We got to stay here. We got to stay here. Let's try to make it happen. We can adjust that trend line if we get some more highs there. But nonetheless, if you're playing puts, let's see it go down in an early round. We got some QQQ puts going down, swinging. What's a nickel? Is it a penny? No, Sarah Desde Croix. I forgot. We got some people from different countries in here. A nickel is 5 cents. So it's 5 pennies. You've got a penny, which is 1 cent. A nickel, which is 5 cents. A dime, which is 10 cents. You've got a quarter, which is 25 cents. And then you go up to $1. Technically, you could have a 50-cent piece too, but they don't make those anymore. But yeah, you got a penny, a nickel, a dime, a quarter, and then $1. The burn helps a lot. The burn does help a lot. I love it. Sarah DeStacroix asking what a nickel is. Is that a penny? That's like you guys are talking about, oh, you want a quid? What is a quid? I don't even know what a quid is. You know, and you guys are like, oh, you want a quid? No. What the heck is a quid? I don't even know. Sarah DeStacroix. You guys got crazy stuff too. What did the Fed release today? I don't think that the Fed released anything today. I think that Jerome Powell was speaking at some business conference today. And I did look that up earlier. Let's see if I still got it up. Yeah, I did look this up earlier. And Jerome Powell basically reiterating what he said at the Jackson Hole conference. When was that? Last week or 2 weeks ago? So early morning, the market was bracing for another rate hike, and then Jerome Powell basically came in and reiterated what he said before. Very hawkish stance, that they're going to be willing to raise interest rates, that they are, going to be using all of the tools that they have available to them in order to do so, and blah, blah, blah. But, basically saying the same stuff that he said before. Gotta come back out here. Let's see. A pound is 3 spams and 4 ramens. Yes, a pound is 3 pounds. Pound or quid is a squid. Stig beater. Pound or quid is a squid. Okay, quid is a squid? I don't know where you guys come up with this stuff, Stig. That's funny though, right? That is funny that you guys think about like, oh man, what is a dime? Nobody knows what a dime is, but what is a quid, man? And I'm sure you guys have coins as well that you talk about, but I don't know. I really don't know the differences in your guys' currencies. So if anybody lives in a different country right now, I actually encourage you, because I do like Forex. I like currency. And I know the name of your currency, like a dollar, a pound. You've got the yen, South African rand. You've got won. There's so many different currencies that are out there. And I have a good understanding of like the names of your currency, but no, if you've got names for your coins as well, drop those in the chat. Like, teach us a lesson in currency right now, because if you found it interesting that you've got a penny, a nickel, a dime, a quarter, and $1, then I can guarantee you there's people in here that would find it interesting if you've got different names for your currency. And that's not even going into, oh guys, if you want to drop slang for your currencies as well, that's where it can get interesting. And don't laugh at me. You can have dollars, right? You can have money. You got bread. You've got some cheddar. You've got some green. Guys, get the slang names. Just spam some slang names for your currency down in the description or down in the chat as well. And let's have some fun with that. Because I know you guys call it so many different names, and I know you've got your slang for it as well. What about pesos? Pesos as well, man. Forgot about the pesos. Hey, Ice, you've got the Brazilian real in Brazil. There's a lot, man. Bread, yes, he's got the bread. Seashells. Ooh, we got the seashells. Bones. J-bones, yes. Bands. What? Mecos? I don't even know what Mecos is. AMC Trapper got the cheddar. We got the blues in here, the Looney Tooney. You guys are making some of this stuff up, man. Iraq AIDS. Forgot the euro. How do I forget the euro? My goodness, dude. Yes, I did forget the euro. How do you even forget about that? 1 quid is dough. What? Dough, you get, I don't even, what? Guap? Yeah, guap, man. Mas, Danish kroner. Yeah, you guys got the krona, a Swedish krona as well. Ducats. Moolah, baby. Cuban dollar. Chavito. Very nice. Earn that bread, baby. Bacon. Bring home the bacon. Rupees. Indian rupees. Yes. Wonger. Never heard of Wonger. Early bird gets the worm. 1 pound equals about $1.15 right now. This is true. Loonies and toonies. Oh, yeah. No, that is true. General South. Yeah. I forgot about that. The Canadian dollar is the loonie, man. Toonies is the 1 and 2. I thank you very much for that. I did know that they called the Canadian dollar the loonie, but I didn't know what was going on with the loonies and toonies. Dough, moolah, ends, dosh. Man, you guys are killing it. Dosh is money in the UK. Okay, very good. Didn't know it. Pumpkin spice. You got to be making that one up. Cheddar, nugget. Okay, 1 quid is 1 pound. David, yes, 1 quid, 1 pound. Moneda, Danish kroner. There you go. Moneda is, isn't that like Spanish for coins? Monedas. Bolts, baby. Peak of power with the bolts. Binance scammed us. We can have them change their mind, though. Meta Fury, they can change their mind. And if we're active, I think they might. Moolah, what about an IOU? We don't like the IOUs, man. Ching, ka-ching, ka-ching. Real, yes. Talent, there you go. Tendies. Tendies is another one, man. Ton equals 100 pounds. Oh, that's a good one. So a ton is about 100 pounds. I didn't know that either. A Nick is 1 quid. Very good. A G note. Here you taking her Hemi. Where are you taking her Hemi? Yeah, we need to know greenbacks. Another one. Spanish money. Dinero and pesos. Yes, Christopher, sorry. Paper. There you go. A shekel is a sheck. Shekel is a sheck, yes. Or not plastic. UK money is lolly. Is it really? Is it really lolly is money? But I can call Lauren lolly as well. I didn't know that lolly was money. Ergo, ego, something, dub for a 20. There you go. Clams. You guys, I love it, man. I love this. Isn't it funny that no matter what place you live in, what language you speak, whatever money you have, people have so many different names for their money. I mean, you guys are seeing all of these. I don't know if Spondylix is like an actual one or Schmeckles is an actual one or not, but Tunisian dinar. Like, everybody's got so many different words for their currency. And that transcends any language that you speak or any mentality. Like, doesn't matter if you live here, if you live in Brazil, you are still trying to name your money a different thing. Like cheddar. Who comes up with cheddar, man? I mean, who comes up with that stuff? Luna chart doing okay right now. Luna is down slightly, but still up on the day. 52,000 points per coin right now. Pulling back from major. Look at this, guys. I did not put this line on here today. You guys know that this line comes from months ago. Months ago when Terra Luna Classic fell. This 58,500 points per coin proved to be the resistance that we expected it to be. And if you go to that hourly chart, you can see that we basically just wicked right over it. Look at these candles right here. They just wicked right over it and used it as resistance. I am telling you get excited about this. If it breaks this level right here, if Luna Classic breaks this level, look where you're going, man. If the technical resistance on the chart holds up and we don't see 60, 70, 80, 90, 100,000 levels or points as levels of resistance, we've got some massive potential ahead of us for Terra Luna Classic. D's, thank you very much. D's, hey, if you guys want to get in the Discord right now, if you guys have a green name and you're in the Discord, send a message in the community chat and I'll green name you real quick. D's, I don't know if JB hit you with a green name last night or not, but D's, man, thank you for the hot dog. You take that hot dog, you dip it, man. You dip that hot dog in your favorite dip and then you shove it. You take it and you... one bite. D's, man, thank you very much for the super chat. And we've got Sam Z. Thank you very much for the super chat as well. Sign petition, guys. We're talking about the Binance burn. I got to make sure we're clear on what we're talking about signing this petition on right now. But the Binance burn, yeah, if you guys want to see Binance burning, I don't know if there is a petition out there or not, but let them know, man. Let them know. Not in a crazy way. But if they see their Twitter account blow up, I gotta take a drink, guys. I'm sorry. If they see their Twitter account blow up, and it's just, hey, you know what? We appreciate Binance, but we would like you to follow the on-chain rules. Hey, this is implemented on-chain. We believe that Binance should support this. If they see the strength of the community just relaying their desires to them, it would be, if you think it's a blow to the community now, if they saw everybody just expressing their desires and not getting crazy, at least right off the bat, right? And not getting crazy, then if they ignored the community's desires and they ignored what the people want, at that point, it's kind of like, wow, dude, it doesn't seem at all like they care about what we're doing here and what we're rebuilding. So yes, definitely let them know what you think is a good idea for them. Let them know politely though. Binance will follow it. They're probably testing it with other exchanges first. Ian, I hope so, man. I really do hope so, because they are a major platform with major volume. Get some beets, carrots, lemon, orange, and blend it and drink it. Pepe, probably a good idea, dude. I've been doing, I do it quite often, right? But what I do is I take some organic apple cider vinegar, I sprinkle some turmeric in it, and about a spoonful of honey into this little like 8-ounce jar, and then I shake it up, mix it all together, and then I'll put a little, I mean, it's basically a shot of it, right? I'll put a little shot in a, I don't know, man, a couple ounces of whatever I'm drinking. If I've got apple cider, if I've got some tea, if I've got some lemonade, if I've got one of those ice drinks, I'll spike it with a little bit of that, and it's supposed to be good for you, man. It's supposed to be pretty healthy. So that's what I do, but it's still not helping me kick this cough. I think it said Binance messaged him, and they did not mean that. Okay, interesting. Islam, that's interesting then. So I'm going to have to see how that plays out there. As an experienced crypto investor, I want to ask you, Clay, how I overcome the regret of not filling my bag with LUNC. I only have 1 million. Ing Andro, let me tell you this. If you look at it that way, okay, you will live, even if you take a LUNC to $1 and you're sitting on $1 million, you will always regret every single trade that you make. You will never hit a perfect trade. You will always, on the trades that you do win, you will wish that you had bought more. On the trades that you don't win, you will wish that you had invested less. Dude, the other day, it was last Friday. I'll probably remember this day for the rest of my life, because it was obscene amounts of money that I missed out on. But the other day, I was playing some puts on the QQQ, and I took a 33% gain. I watched it go from 18 cents to 24 cents, and I took a nice 33% gain. Short-term trade, hit it. Through the rest of the day, it never looked back, and I could have gone from 18 cents, my entry price, to $3.40 if I would have just held it. I traded a 13% gain for basically a 1,500% gain. And yes, I do regret that. But I'll tell you this, man. If you only look at it that way, I hit a 33% gain. If you only look at what you missed out on, or you should have bought more, or whatever, in that sense, you will never have a winning trade. It's just something, kick yourself for a minute if you want to be down on it. But you have to, even if you have to physically push through it, you've got to push through that, Ing. You have to, man. We got a super chat. I missed a super chat, and everyone missed a super chat. D's with the banana. AMC Trapper, thank you very much for that banana. I knew I was going on and missed something there. AMC Trapper, thank you, dude, for the banana. Or it wasn't from AMC, it was from D's, man. Thank you very much for that. You take that banana, you peel it. This is called the lick and stick, guys. One of the most important things in the lick and stick is eye contact. You take the banana, you lick it, you stick it. Thank you very much, D's. I know we're scaring people off right now. It is what it is, D's, man. Thank you. Memo Clay is already a million. No, never, Mr. Simon. Come on. Too many people watching for, too many people are watching for that banana. What are we doing? I got to give D's a green name. D's. Roll. Supporter. Boom. D's has that green name. Guys, if you have a green name in the YouTube chat here and you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. Let me post the link in here really quick. so you guys can join the Discord. It is an absolutely free Discord, basically an extension of this live chat. So please join that if you guys want. But if you've got a green name, you should definitely be in the Discord. And let me know too, because you got a free green name and access to the supporters chat in Discord, and you can post pictures and GIFs and stuff if you've got that green name. So free Discord right there if you guys do want to join it and have some fun there. Where are we good though? I gotta catch back up in the chat. Clay bro, why has Binance moved 2.4 trillion Terra Luna Classic from the V for vodka, man? I wish I knew what these guys were doing, but unfortunately I do not. Clay's deflecting from the truth. Never. Meta. What's the truth, Meta? Did I miss it, man? Yes, Carlos. Meta. I don't want to miss it, man. Clay, we all got to do is buy every crypto that is less than a penny and then never look at it for like 2 to 3 years. Boom. Millionaires. Nelson Channel. Here's the scary thing. That actually could be correct. If you were to go out there and just buy up, like, let's say you actually did and bought a decent amount, because there's a lot of coins that are under a penny. But let's say you went out there and you bought $100 worth of every single one. There's a decent chance, right? There's a decent chance that you would have $1 million in 5 to 10 years from now. Like, one of them is bound to hit if it's an actual project and not just some sort of a scam. Let's see. Why you block me? Has your country removed freedom of speech? What? Hold my tea. I didn't block you. I see you right there, man. How do you get a green name? AMC Trapper. Very easy. All you got to do is click that join button if you are on a Samsung or Android phone. And if you are on an iPhone, all you've got to do is copy and paste the link in the description that says join the channel, grab a green name, become a bro, and whatever else it says in there. So that is how you grab a green name. Binance will mess up everything. Sofiani, I hope they do not. Vegas message from Binance regarding the post. From what I see is we haven't stated really anything different than what the other exchanges have put out to be continued. I don't see the rest of it. So it is slightly different than what the other exchanges have put out. So I'll use KuCoin for an example. KuCoin has said that the moment it goes live on the blockchain, that they will be implementing the 1.2% burn tax on their transactions and on their exchange. Really? I literally just copied that link from right here in the Discord, man. It says it expires in 7 days. Discord. See if that works, guys. I literally just copied it from Discord right here, man. I don't know. Seems to be working for some people because we got a lot of people joining right here. Nostromo. I love it, baby. Nostromo, grabbing that green name and becoming a bro. Guys, we need to see 322. Welcome, Nostromos, to the chat right now. And Nostromo, if I'm saying your name wrong, please correct me, man. I love it. Look at this. You guys don't even wait for me. You guys don't even wait for me. Nostromo, welcome Nostromo. I did a thing. You did a thing, baby. Let's see it. Guys, if you are inactive in the chat, please take 2 seconds to be active and welcome Nostromo. If you have to decide between clicking the like button and welcoming Nostromo, please welcome Nostromo. I'm grateful for everybody that's got that green name. Nostromo, if you're in the Discord, man, please let me know that you're in the Discord so I can give you a green name in there as well. Clint. I said, what if Binance decides to stake all of their 2.4 trillion coins? O'Hare Henry. That's a good thought, and let me kind of work that thought out just out loud in my mind, okay? Because they can stake that. right? And they can earn the rewards, and they can have massive, probably like beyond massive voting rights on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. However, okay, this is the interesting part that we've been seeing with centralized exchanges. So I don't believe that Binance owns all of that Terra Luna Classic. I believe that, yes, it's in their wallet. Yes, it's on their platform. But it is because people like you and I are holding their Terra Luna Classic on the Binance platform. So you might be saying, well, it's the individual's decision to stake that now, not Binance's decision to stake that. Binance may argue that because you are depositing your funds on their account, and we are seeing with places like Voyager and Coinbase and so on, that those assets are no longer yours when you deposit them. They are a loan to Binance. If you are loaning them to Binance, yes, Binance can make a decision on what to do with those coins. And they could stake the coins that they have because they are essentially theirs. They're loaned to them, they're borrowing them, and they can decide to stake them. It gets a little tricky though. If they were to decide to stake every single coin that they've got control over, they would have no liquidity. You wouldn't be allowed to trade your Terra Luna Classic on their platform anymore. So I highly doubt that they would ever go as far as staking even the majority of their coins. They need to maintain that liquidity, and they need to maintain that balance so that when people do decide to cash out, or they decide to transfer, or they decide to move off exchange, or they do decide to stake, that those coins are available, or a portion of those coins are available for their users and their customers to withdraw and so on. So I think it's impossible for them to do it all, in a sense that they value liquidity. But it is interesting that these loaned coins are considered theirs, and they can make that decision. You guys are still saying welcome. That's the strength of the bros, baby. I love that right there. Still saying welcome to Nostromo for grabbing that green name and becoming a bro. Let's see, is anybody else? Nostromo, are you in, or do you have a different name in the Discord so I can grab you a green name in the Discord as well? Got it. I wasn't holding my tongue right. Noob Clan, good deal. Missed it. I don't know what I missed. Sorry. Binance in any situation needs this coin to go up. Why would they hurt? It makes no sense. The choice. Well, yeah. So Third Eye. You know, there's a lot of people that don't want to see the burn tax though. You know, there's a lot of people that don't want to burn their coin. And they may flock to Binance so that they can trade without that 1.2% tax. Look, I don't want to burn my coins, right? I don't want to burn my money, just in general. So I completely understand people that don't want to burn. But I also respect that coin gets burned. You know, if you look at SafeMoon, for example, 5% transaction tax. If you don't want to pay 5% transaction tax, you don't buy SafeMoon. You know, if you don't want to pay 1.2% transaction taxes, you don't buy Terra Luna Classic. It's as simple as that. What the coin is should transfer over to the exchanges as well. I mean, that's the part that gets me. And if you don't want to burn, you don't buy. But, you know, you look at it and you say, dude, just over the last half hour, Luna Classic's gone from 55,000 to 5,000. It's a 10% move. Who cares if I get hit with a 1% tax? If I'm making 10%, who cares? This movement right here, from 48,000 up to 55,000, that's like a 15% move. Who cares if I get hit with a 1.2% tax? This is literally the only coin in crypto that is moving like this right now. Trade it. I think it is... I've talked about this in the past. Sorry you guys couldn't see it on the chart. I forgot I was big click. I've talked about this. Traders can be really annoying sometimes. We just looked at 2, 10, and 15% gains. Day traders love those. They need to eat those up. And it might be annoying if we go up to 55,000 points per coin and then drop back down because people are selling. And then we go back down to 50,000. We jump back up to 55,000 because people are buying. And these traders are causing the price they're not holding and driving the price up. But I'm going to tell you this. Traders are going to be the saviors when it comes to this burn tax being enabled. They're the ones that are going to have that mentality that say, okay, 1.2% burn tax, who the heck cares if I'm banking 10% gains every couple hours? They're the ones that are going to go in, they're going to buy, they're going to sell, they're going to buy, they're going to sell, they're going to buy, they're going to sell, and they're going to burn, because they're making their money on the volatility. And yes, they might cause the price to hit some stag periods where it doesn't break through because they're taking profits. But you guys got to remember, they're burning and you're holding. Your coins, even though the price isn't rising because these guys are hitting their profits, your coins are becoming more valuable because there's less in existence, and less in existence. But I do want to say this, okay? If you expect us to actually reach prices like 10 cents, $1, and beyond, you will need to make transactions. You will need to trade. You will, and not just you, not just the 370. Literally, the 370 of us in here, we probably could hold forever. But out of everybody that's holding Terra Luna Classic, if you don't trade, you will end up with a situation like the 2 trillion coins that are on Binance. They never get burnt. And if they never get burnt, how do you reach $1? How do you reach those higher prices? They need to be transacted. So keep that in mind. The hold game is great, but and I'm not some sort of like everybody needs to help everybody and give everybody their money and burn their money and support it equally between everyone or anything like that. But you will need to participate in the trades if we expect these burns to actually reduce the supply by 90+%. I mean, it's just inevitable that you have to buy and sell. We just need high volatility. We do need high volatility, but we do need people to participate in trades as well. If the price stays, this is true, Nostromo. If the price stays low, we burn more. The perfect combination for burns will be high volume, low price. Okay? So imagine with me a period where we do see a sell-off, okay? If the burns are implemented and Terra Luna Classic goes from 50,000 points per coin where it's at right now, and it drops back down to 20,000 points per coin, okay? That's a major hit, man. People are going to say, oh my God, a 60% decline in price. This is ridiculous. But if you're talking $4 billion being traded on a day like that, on a major sell-off, if that $4 billion were to come in here, you might be talking 100 billion coins burnt. If that $4 billion rides itself down to 20,000 points per coin, all of a sudden you're talking 300 billion coins that were burnt. That is a major, major advantage of a lower price and higher volume. Yes, it sucks to see the price fall. Yes, it sucks to see your position worth less and all of that. But if you do have that longer term mentality and your goal is like ride or die, $100 price point or nothing, you can't get sick and upset with the price swings, because when the price is rising, it's great. You have more money. When the price is falling, the burns become exponentially higher. So that's the benefit of having a coin that actually does burn. Let's see. Doe Bro just said something. Pudgy, no ignore. Pika, you've been warned. Oh my goodness. Yeah, don't ignore anybody ever. Oh, Pika, and that was the state taxes. You still have to add federal tax. Oh my God, nobody talk about taxes in here. We were having a freaking good day, dude. Binance. So R2D2. What Binance announced, where are they at? What Binance announced earlier is that they will be burning on all deposits and they will be burning on all withdrawals. But at least as of right now, they have no intentions of burning any of the spot or margin trading or other services like Binance Staking and Binance Savings. So it's seemingly right now they will only be implementing this burn tax on deposits and withdrawals and not on any spot or margin trading. So they're kind of like dipping their toe in the water, man, and not really giving us the full swan dive or full cannonball. They're simply dipping their toe in the water and kind of giving us a little bit of a jump there. People don't check the market cap. Is too many people. Albert, I checked the market cap, man. We're still talking about $3 billion, right, Dimbro? Yes, I like Pika Power. Everybody likes Pika Power, man, but homeowners insurance is crazy. Oh, God. Yeah, you got them hurricanes down there, man. Something. Yeah, that's not me. It's Simon, I don't know, man. That one looked like you. Is Dimbro like Dark Bro, but not as dark? Like, what do we got with Dimbro here? Click. I know that day traders and short sellers don't want to support the burn. Yeah, Steven, of course they wouldn't because they do get hit. But I don't think that 1.2% on a coin as volatile as Terra Luna Classic will deter them. You know, the thing I like about day traders is that, dude, they're consumed by the volatility. They're like vultures, man. The same way it happened with AMC last year and Shiba Inu coins, same way it's going to happen with Terra Luna Classic right now. They just, they got to have it, man. Oh, they got to have it. They got to make that trade. Oh, I could have made 10% in the last 5 minutes if I would have just got into Terra Luna Classic. Oh, but I didn't want to burn 1.2%. Cares if I burn 1.2% if I'm making 10%. I really don't think it's going to deter the vast majority of day traders. Some of them, maybe, but I really don't think it's going to deter too much of them. I love the smell of burnt crypto in the morning. Carlos loves waking up to the smell of burnt crypto bright and early in the morning, man. Someone bucking for a timeout. Oh, don't get timeout. Nah, don't get timeout. Nah, don't get, and not in Kissimmee, Florida. Well, you might not have, actually, I don't know what, because isn't it Kissimmee very close to Orlando? I don't know what the hurricanes look like down there, but dude, Gulf Coast gets hit quite often. Binance, pretty much. Mark, I don't know if they really messed us up, man. Here's my take on it right now, okay? My take is they're trying their best to move forward with what they think is a good option. Maybe a little slap in the face, right? Because I can't get over the fact that this is obviously what people want, but Binance is saying this is what people need instead. And I hate being told what I need when we've already made decisions. The best route that I can see is either supporting an exchange, taking your LUNC off of Binance and moving it to KuCoin or Kraken or somewhere else. You guys got links in the description below. But using another exchange that does support the burns. If you plan on holding, it doesn't hurt you either way. But as much as I hate burning my own money, there is a need for it. There is an absolute need for it if we expect 90%, 99% reduction in the supply. So there's no way around that. Maybe you burn once, twice, 3 times, or whatever. Maybe you try to hit some trades and you burn that 1.2%. But as soon as it pulls back 1.2%, you can get back in. In that sense, think about that. If you burnt at, where are we at here? If you burn right here at 51.5, if you burn at 51.5 and it just ticks right back down and you get back in at 51, you just burnt those coins for free, man. You burnt them and you got right back in. This purple candle right here is probably going to offer you the opportunity to get right back in with a free burn. And that could be a beautiful thing as well. If you guys want to support the burns, but you don't really want to support, you don't really want to burn your own money, that could be a great way to hit a couple trades, make sure you participate, but not actually burn any of your money because you're in the same situation, if not a better situation than you were just 1 minute before. Look at that. Deez, thank you very much for the super chat. Deez says, man, I forgot how to eat a hot dog already. Well, you know what, Deez? Very simple, man. You take that hot dog and you dip it. You dip that hot dog in your favorite dip. Whatever your dip is, man, you dip it in and you take it and you shove it. Thank you very much for the hot dog. Deez, man, with another super sticker. Absolutely love it. It's one thing, I don't know if Binance will lose too much business, dude. If they see that they are losing business, I think that they'll try to readjust their mentality on it. But look, you're talking 1.2% burn tax, 51.7 to down here at 57. I think that's 1,000 points on 50. That's 2%, guys. That's 2%. If you would have sold right here, okay, and just bought right back in, and there might be a spread and all of that you got to worry about, but assuming there's not, take that, get in, and all of a sudden, man, you burnt for free. We get more memberships. Guys, yes, I'm loving this. Pika Pow. You guys better show some appreciation for Pika Power right now. Look at this. We've got MD Hewitt got a free membership. Matt Z, free membership. Beaver Lumber, free membership. Dylan got a free membership. And Just Jen got a free membership from Pika Power. Guys, I need seriously. That is extremely generous to gift that many memberships. That's 10 memberships gifted by Pika today. So not only welcome the new members in the green names, please thank Pika Power. There's that type of generosity just doesn't exist, man. I need 399 welcomes and 399 thank yous to Pika Power in the chat right now. Pika is incredible. And especially these new green names. Guys, if you've got a new green name, thank Pika for it. Just Jen, Dylan Reisenman, Beaver Lumber, Matt Z, and MD Hewitt. Please thank Pika Power for giving you that green name and being a member on the channel. Queen Pika is the MVP. Yes, Queen Pika. And guys, just let me be the king. Let me be Pika's king. Come on, right now. Pika, thank you very much for the many, many gifts today. Absolutely, man. But how can Binance's decision kill us short term? Very well. No, I don't think, Steve, I really don't think it's going to kill us, man. At worst, it reduces the amount of burns. That's it, man. At worst, it reduces the amount of burns. At the absolute worst, if they never burn, it simply takes us a little bit longer to get to the goal. That's it, dude. That's it. Pika is awesome. Pika rocks. Pika's awesome. Pika rocks. Pika's awesome. Pika. How do I get a member? V for vodka. If you want to grab that green name, become a member. It depends on if you're using an iPhone or an Android. If you're on Android or computer, all you got to do is click that blue join button, and you can join that way. If you are on iPhone, there's a link in the description that says join the channel, become a bro or whatever, and grab a green name. You have to copy and paste that link out into Safari. For some reason, iPhone doesn't allow you to do that within the app. I don't know why, but they don't allow you. Let's see. Click. Why is the price so low after Binance? R2D2. I think it's just a little bit of a shock reaction, man. So it's a combination of being rejected off of this major. We got to make this bigger. This needs to be bigger. Off this major resistance level that dates back all the way to the fall. A rejection off that, so I can absolutely expect that sort of a move, and the fact that we expected Binance to support, and they're only half supporting right now. So a little bit of a double whammy, I would say, that caused that pullback there. Not necessarily detrimental, but a little bit of a double whammy, dude. All right, what do we got? Let's catch back up. Stephen Kane. Becoming a little bro, baby. I love it. Steven, man, thank you very much for grabbing that green name. Absolutely appreciate that. Look what you did, Pika. Look what you did today. Pika is getting so many... Dude, Pika, that's... Oh, my gosh. I don't even know how to say thank you enough. Welcome, Steven. You guys, 348 welcomes to Steven in the chat right now. I'm loving it. Reverse head and shoulders, good time to buy. Hey, Mark, yeah, could be a good time to buy, man. I don't know what, okay, so if you're looking reverse head and shoulders here, possibly shoulder, you got the head down here and the shoulder right here. Yeah, it could be a good time to buy if you guys are interested in that, but I don't know if you're looking at the 1 minute graph or if you're looking at a different chart that I'm looking at here. But nonetheless, V for vodka becoming a bro. Yes, man. Guys, I will say this. Thank you for all of the support, for grabbing those green names and stuff. I will never try to, ignore a great name or anything, but obviously my eyes are drawn to green names, blue names, and stuff, and so on. That if the chat does get very busy, especially if there's several hundred people in here, it is much simpler to see green names, and at that point, I don't want to prioritize names, but at a certain point, if you can't keep up with everything, it's almost necessary to prioritize things. So thank you very much for grabbing those green names. And I need 354 welcomes to not only V for Vodka, for Stephen Kane, and thank yous to Pika right now, because Pika throwing 5 green names out there. I love it, Pika. I love it. Welcome, V for Vodka. Click the 100K background. Compliments. Everything's golden, dude. Everything's golden right now. This crown, feeling like an actual king. Oh, where's my castle, man? Should the crown go back here? I feel like the crown should go back here, but, I mean, that looks kind of cool, too. I don't even know, man. I don't even know. Crown goes back there. Dude, we'll put the crown back there. Tim, man, thank you very much. Tim. Oh, this is going to be a tough one. Scam. Those consonants don't go together, man. SCB? Tim Skemp. Tim Skemp. Welcome, Tim. Thank you very much. Tim. We've got V for Vodka, and we've got Steven, all grabbing green names. And another 1,000 thank yous to Pika Power. Thank you very much, guys, for all of the generosity today. In the back. Let the hair breathe, Clay. Feels better this way, Pika. Feels better. Feels more royal this way as well. Shemp. Oh, yeah, dude. Shemp is, you might want to go change that, man. You can change your name. You can change their name. I actually don't even know where you go to change your name. Somebody help Tim change his name, dude, because I need that name changed if I'm ever going to say it. Shemp, right? Shemp. Somebody help Tim change his name, because you guys change your names like 50 times a day. YouTube settings, Tim. There you go. 100K. Heck yeah, man. We hit 100K subscribers, dude. We hit 100K subscribers. It was Labor Day that we hit 100,000 subscribers. Tim, welcome to the green name side. Oh, yes. And if you guys have a green... Johnny boy, John Fahar. Thank you very much for grabbing that green name. Becoming a bro, baby. I love it. JB is fast on that one, man. Welcoming the names right now. John Fahar, thank you very much. If you guys have a green name in YouTube, join the Discord. The Discord's absolutely free, but you guys actually get into the supporters chat. I mean, you get into the technically paid section, and then you guys can post, I don't know if you can post videos, but you can post pictures and GIFs and stuff in all the other sections as well. So you guys have complete access if you got a green name, and you get a green name in the Discord as well. So if you got a green name in YouTube, you might as well join the Discord and grab that green name in the Discord as well, man. Bahar and the Hizzy. Oh, yes. Welcome, John. I want a green name. King! All you got to do to grab that green name is either wait until Pika throws more green names out. I don't know if that's ever going to happen again because he's already thrown 10 out in the chat. You can also click the blue join button if you're on Android, or you can copy and paste the link in the description if you are on iPhone, man, where it says join the channel, become a bro, grab a green name, all that good stuff. JB over Discord, busy with all these new green names. Yeah, JB's extremely busy, man. I see JB. Your green name now, V for Vodka. Perfect, baby. Vodka's got that green name in the Discord. I'm loving it. King, become a bro. Do it, do it, do it. JB over in the Discord. Oh, yeah, sweet. You did. Market growth. Heck yeah. I wish I had more time to join, but I always hit the... Hey, John, no problem at all, dude. No problem. Listen, I never want anybody to feel Like, if they don't have the money for a subscription, the $3, if you guys don't want to pay, if you're on a budget, if you can only join the live stream every once in a while and it doesn't make, like, don't feel bad about not being able to join or ever send super chats or anything. I'm telling you right now, John, if you guys just watch the stream, watch the videos, click the like button, you have no idea. I mean, maybe you do, like, if you guys watch YouTube videos a lot and stuff, but it is basically, calling management over and saying, hey, YouTube, this guy's actually producing content that we like. We like it enough to click the like button, to leave a comment, to be active, and we think that you should show it to more people. And it is massively, it's a massive contribution to growth and getting more people involved. Johnny boy, thank you for the super stick. John says, click that like button. Click that like button. Click that like button. Click that like button. Johnny boy, thank you very much. John Hilburn for sending that super chat. Absolutely appreciate it, man. You guys are incredible. Green name is as wanted as LUNC, or I bread. It is as wanted as LUNC. It's ridiculous, isn't it? Has anyone dipped their toes into Corona yet? I have not. Madly satisfied. Number 23,578. Congrats on a wondered. Nufo, would you believe that not that many people have congratulated me on 100,000? But I do appreciate it. Oh my God. I do appreciate it coming from you. Nufo, you're the man. And I've got to say, somebody get this man a green name in the Discord right now. John Fahar. Hopefully I got that last name correctly, man. Farrar? I don't know if it's you got some Spanish, you got some Portuguese in you. Fahar. Mr. Johnny. Thank you very much for the super chat. My goodness. Doing a great job here. Love being a bro. John is a bro, man. Sometimes I gotta go small screen so that I can actually make the faces that I want to make, because like this, that's just a weird face for you guys to have to look at, And if it's small in the bottom right of the screen, you can't really see it. So it probably is a little bit better off for you. John, get in the Discord, man. If you don't have Discord, download it. You need a green name for sure, dude. T, peace out to you if you're leaving, man. Kartikeya, thank you very much for the super chat. Kartikeya, you're in here a lot, dude. I really appreciate you, man. I really do. I want Kartikeya to win one of these green names as well. Kartikeya definitely needs one. Par WGN, grabbing that green name and becoming a bro. Absolutely love it. Par, are you in the Discord? You guys got to get in the Discords, man. We need to get you some green names in the Discord as well. We got Zimmer, Tropic Thunder, Karam, Bangladesh, Dim. We've got Kid Flash, Long Term Shib. We've got Tropic Thunder, Balatong in the Discord. Everybody welcoming Par right now. Grab those green names and join the Discord, because you guys got full access with everything else. Par WGN, I see it. Par WGN in the Discord right now. I'm a green name him, man. I'm a green name him right now. Par WGN has that green name in the Discord. Beautiful, Par. You got that green name. Outdo bro, says one Mo Dalo. Thank you very much for the super chat. Outdo bro, I love it, man. Outdo bro's that rainbow ape. Heck yeah, with $1 super chat. Thank you very much, Outdo bro. Incredible, man. Hope everyone knows they're selling LUNC that you will regret it in about 48 hours. Kev Machine. It is an absolute possibility, unless they plan on buying more before that 48-hour period is up, man. I want to win a green name as well. I'm a bro, man. Franz, we need to get you a green name too, man. We need to get you a green name in a. Is the green name giveaway completely random? Or can you assign green names too? I don't know how to do that. These extended live streams are not helping me be productive at work. They're not helping me be productive at home either, man. JB, no kidding. I know. But we're killing it right now. Guillermo Sanchez, thank you very much for the super sticker, Guillermo. Incredible, man. I love Guillermo's got that green name recently. Absolutely love that. And a super chat right there. Heck yeah. Super chat from Guillermo. Did I miss one? Outdo, bro. Karthikeya. Got Karthikeya. I think I got them all right there. John, man. John's got that red name at the top of the screen right now. John. Sugar Cat. I see your chat on... Listen, Sugar Cat, I'm sorry. I saw John's chat right there, but congrats on her. Okay, broke 15,000 recently. Sugar Cat, very nice. 15,000 subscribers on YouTube. Very good, man. Guys, check out Sugar Cat's channel as well. That's what I like. Building each other up, man. I'm not one of these dudes that's like, oh, dude, don't share your Instagram in here. Don't spam your Instagram or anything by any means. Don't do that. Or if you guys got a YouTube channel, don't spam your YouTube channel. But hey, man, listen, it's ultimately everybody's decision on what they want to watch, right? But if you're out there hustling, man, you're working hard, you've got a YouTube, you've got an Instagram, you've got all these things that people might want to be friends with you on and support, dude, support them. Heck yeah. Gifted 1 Claybro membership. Ooh, Rocky Kira. Rocky got a green member. Rocky. And Rocky's actually been active in the chat. So, Rocky, congratulations on the free green name. France. She tried. Pika tried, but Rocky grabbed it. I don't even know how it works. Rocky grabbed that free green name from Pika Power. Rocky, say thank you. Say thank you, Rocky. Come on now. Rocky's got that green name. Pika Power. Thank you for another green name. And Karthikeya with another super chat as well. Karthikeya, man, incredible. And the Nelson channel, welcome back to being a bro. Nelson channel got that green name again. I love it, man. I love it. Pika Power. Pika Power is wanna? I don't know. Pika Power is being extremely generous. Interesting. Are you really motivated in the Luna community? Hey, Sunit, man. Big fan from India. Hey, Sunit. Appreciate that, man. Listen, I would like, I know you guys, a lot of people in India do speak English, so I appreciate you being able to watch my content. And I know it's a lot more difficult. Like, I would never be able to speak your language. So I do appreciate that you're able to watch it and enjoy it and all of that. And shoot, man, tell your friends, get everybody involved. I would love, dude. Let's get all the Indian subscribers. All right, come on now. It's gonna be good. If you know somebody that likes crypto, share it with them, man. We're building a family up here, family of bros, baby. That's what we got going on, and it is a good day. Y'all with gifted memberships, please keep it every month. Okay, thank you. No ignore. Yes, listen to Simon. You don't have to. Like, if you guys really don't want to, it would be incredible if you did. But like, I understand obligations and stuff. But yes, if you can, please do it. If you could go putting in work, we appreciate you. JC Los, yes we do. Karthikeya with the super chat. Yes, man. Karthikeya, thank you very much. Love watching your videos from Singapore here. It's 1:20 a.m. Dude, you need to go to bed, man. It's 1:20 p.m. here. I'm an Indian bro. How many Indian bros do we have in here right now? I love it, man. I love it. Hey, and like I say, man, absolutely respect the fact that you can watch and enjoy the content in English, especially if it's not your native language, right? So that's extremely difficult to do. I wish that I could create some content for you in your language, but there's no way I would ever be able to do that, man. So because of the rise in the classic and partly videos, my hope it could get to a 1 or 7 cents in a period of December 25th to February 23rd. Was I wrong to think that, or is that a possibility? So Pastini, let me put it this way. 1 cent. Here's what I would want to see happen before I think 1 cent is achievable. A decent bull market in crypto. A decent bull market. If we get a turnaround towards the end of the year, I don't think that you're crazy for thinking that. If Bitcoin is trading at like $10,000 and Ethereum's down to like $700, I think it's going to be difficult to reach a penny price point by then. But if we get people coming in and just buying and buying and buying and going crazy and FOMOing and buying and they don't care about the reason, they're just buying because it's moving, I do think it's possible. So it's not necessarily the date that I'm looking at. If we get some sort of a massive crypto rally that happens by November, I think these prices are achievable. But I think it all depends on bull market sentiment in the entire crypto market. So Hangman, it should apply to every transaction. If you're going to be buying on Binance, however, it doesn't seem like it's going to be applying to any transaction except except the deposits and withdrawals. They just watch you muted like the rest of us. Burn! Nick, thank you for letting me know that you guys just don't actually listen to anything. All you want to do is type in the chat. Came quickly to say hello. Waited 20 minutes to see if you would read my message, but you didn't. Hope you're doing well. Ajma, I'm very sorry that I might have missed your previous message. You know, você sabe que eu nunca vou te ignorar. Nunca, Ajma. I will never ignore you. Or anybody, for that matter. I do see it now. And hello, Ajma. I hope you're having a great day today. All right, gotta go run. Yeah, guys, I think we're gonna be ending it soon here. Anyway, text chat is going fast. Tap it again, for sure, man. Love your videos, Kelly. Watching from Salt Lake City. Guillermo, really appreciate that, man. Absolutely. You guys know, right? You guys know you're the only reason we're at 100,000 subscribers. You're the only reason the videos do well. Clicking the like button, supporting the channel, telling your friends, all of that good stuff, man. You guys know, like, I'm literally just the guy on the screen wearing a crown right now. And you guys are the reason that we're here right now. And doing so well. I mean, you make it obvious that when LUNC is running and you're excited to see it, we can keep it running and keep people updated on what's going on. So it's all you, man. See you, Clay. Welcome, Nelson. Heck yeah. Hi, bro. I'm from Indonesia. I want to ask, LUNC now doesn't really have development a project. I am only community-based and burn from CEX. Do you believe LUNC returns to $1? Vector, let me put it this way. And I've said this a few times in the videos, but I believe we're at the very beginning stages right now. You're right. We don't really have much development going on. We're in the cleanup stages. We're cleaning the trash that was left behind. After that takes place, I do believe that we can see some massive developments, massive projects, and prices. Do I think we get to $1 with 7 trillion coins outstanding? No. I think that the burns are necessary to reach those price points, and 95 to 99% burns, in my opinion, would be necessary to do that. Let's see. Let her add all the rules. Do a trick on Pika. I'm just gonna make her a mod in the Discord. Pika is incredible. Pika is incredible. Your great energy. Thank you very much, John. Matthew Perry was talking about you this morning in his live chat. Nothing bad. Cheers, bro. Boom, Wisconsin, baby. Matthew. I love that Matthew Perry dude. I don't understand what my family's obsession is with Matthew Perry, but my mom's like, oh, what about your friend Matt? And I'm like, my friend Matt, yeah, Matt on YouTube. I'm like, oh yeah, Matt on YouTube. My mom is like talking about Matthew Perry. Yesterday, my dad, I said something about Matt yesterday, that he was in my live stream maybe the day before now. I forget what it was, saying thanks, or saying congratulations about getting 100,000. Oh yeah, I know Matt Perry. I know that. I'm like, this dude's more famous than I am with my own family. What the heck? My mom and dad love Matt Perry more than they love me, and then my brother loves the Ape Father more than he loves me. So we've got some wild action going on the YouTuber here. Also, I'm Tropic Thunder. I reactivated my Discord just to be in the... Nice. I do see Tropic Thunder. Carlos, Tropic Thunder, man. Where you at in there? Boom, I'm going to throw a bro on that right now. Reaction. Bro, baby. Player 1, I see you. Nelly. Istalakata, Ajma. I love it. We're going to wave to say hello to Ajma. And we're going to throw some bro reactions on Ajma right there. Ajma, incredible in the Discord. Loving it, man. Loving it. John Bro just landed in the Discord as well. John Bro, heck yeah, Ajma. Eu sei disso, querido. Perfect. Fique tempo que muito gente. Fica mais difícil de ler. Yes, muito mais difícil. Grande abraço. God, I love it. Big hugs to you as well, Ajma. You look cute with the crown. Thank you. Muito obrigado, Ajma. Sinceramente, muito obrigado. Thank you very much, Ajma. Congrats on the 100K, man. Let us know when you get that play. But yeah, I went to apply for it yesterday, and they said that I need to wait 30 days. So I got to wait 30 days before they give me some. They're supposed to send me some sort of an email with a confirmation number. They won't do it before, I think, the 30 days. So should be 30 days from Labor Day, whatever day that is when I should be able to get that play button. Picking a downward trend in Luna Classic. Any positives derive out of this trend? So Abdullah, I wouldn't necessarily call this a downward trend right here. Yes, it is pulled back from the 60,000 level, but what I see is not necessarily a downtrend. What I see is a test of resistance, and Binance's news both coming out, like a little bit of a double whammy, and then a pullback because of it. It's trying to make its way back up, but it might just have a little bit of a difficult afternoon here. But nonetheless, I don't think it's a downtrend. I think at this point, it is a bounce off resistance and just sitting down here getting ready to retest it. We've seen this happen several times. Coming up here, bouncing back down a little bit, sitting sideways, breaking through. Coming back down a little bit, breaking through. Coming back down a little bit, breaking through. Coming back down a little bit, and then we absolutely could break through again. So I don't see it as necessarily a downtrend at this point. I still think that we're stair-stepping our way up and moving up kind of slowly in that sense. Oh, man. Thanks. Super overtime. Nah, listen, we're going to be leaving at 1:30, guys. We're going to be leaving at 1:30. So we got 2 more minutes left in the chat. Clear Binance just put the LUNC and UST back in their hot wallet. James, very interesting. I have not seen this happen yet, but it is interesting what they're doing, especially with their announcements today. Welcome, everyone. And the people that gifted memberships, too, you'll love this channel. Please stay to find out and keep your memberships next month. Let's keep this train rolling. I love it, Pika. Thank you very. Pika's probably like the most generous person. It's incredible. And John, man, I still see your name up at the top of the chat. John is absolutely killing it. Stuck up there all afternoon. Heck yeah, man. And this has been an extremely fun live stream, man. We did go a little overtime today, but it's all right. We're going to be bouncing off here soon. Started booking. So, Farah, right now, I don't think that boycott Binance is necessarily the right option. If you want to trade platforms, you got a link for KuCoin and stuff down in the description that they will be supporting the 1.2% burn tax. But nonetheless, I think right now, with their announcement, the best thing that we can do is say, look, we believe, go out on Twitter, wherever you're at, we believe that you should support the 1.2% tax. It's part of the blockchain. It is Terra Luna Classic at that point. It's not necessarily right that you don't allow. I mean, imagine if you traded Ethereum with no gas fees. You could buy 100 million Bitcoin as opposed to 21 million Bitcoin. If Shiba Inu coin, if you could trade quadrillions of them on their platform. See, they can't make up their own rules when it comes to these coins. They should have to follow the rules of the blockchain. Let's see. Should we say about Abdullah, man? Listen, if you want to stay with Binance, if you want to trade other coins on Binance, cool. If you want to move your Luna Classic off of Binance, I don't think it's necessarily a bad decision or a rash decision or anything like that. If I'm trading in Binance, will I still make the same profit as other KuCoin? Yes. So just vibes. If KuCoin has the 1.2% tax and Binance doesn't have the 1.2% tax, you would make the same profit with that 1.2% difference. So if you sold on KuCoin, you would make 1.2% less than if you sold on Binance. However, that 1.2% burns 1.2% of your transaction and reduces the overall supply. So that's kind of the good thing. But nonetheless, if it's strictly your profit, yes, you're making 1.2% less when it gets burnt. Rocky with the green name. Rocky. My hero. My hero. My hero. Rocky, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that. Oh my goodness. A tenth of a penny? Yeah, I think that's realistic, man. I definitely think that's realistic. V for vodka. I do. Guys, it's 1 o'clock. All right? It is 1 o'clock. What we're going to do right now is we're going to take off. We're going to be back at about 3:50. So make sure to come back if you guys want to come back. I do want to say thank you to everybody who grabbed the green name. Thank you to Pika. Thank you to John. Thank you to Rocky for the super chat. Everybody who supported the channel, click that like button. All of that good stuff today. Thank you very much. 250 likes in here. I know you guys could have done better on the likes today, but nonetheless, thank you very much for clicking that like button. Absolutely appreciate it. And we're going to do some shout outs, and then we'll be back in a couple of hours with the afternoon live stream. So thank you guys very much for being incredible. Hangman, Riptide Redemption, Haven Peck, Pika Power, Professor, see you later, Rocky, Kira, V for Vodka, Dim Bro, David, Mo Bro, we got Market Growth, Kevin Machine, see you later, D Mo, Julie John, 6666 more, Nick, see you later, it's 1 o'clock, yes it is, 1 o'clock right now, Simon Eno, see you later man, Ajma, see you later, Ajma. Enjoy your afternoon. Where do we go? I missed some chat there. Riptide Redemption. See you later. John Doe. See ya. Carlos. Enjoy your afternoon. Pudgy. Have a great day. Abdullah. Pudgy. STSY. Pika Power. Kev Machine. We've got Anthony, Frank, Pudgy, King Mamba, Simon Eno, baby. Oh, yes. Pepe. See you later. Pika Power. Super Vandal. See you later. Fairgrounds. Enjoy your afternoon. Gorilla. Invictus. Peace out to you. James. Uso. Terra Luna to Pluto. Ahoo. Mobro. STS. Auto Bro. Brian. Tech, there goes the dating website. Nostromo, see you later. Foodverse, DD214, Mobro, Shane, Rocky Kira, Lottery Stocks. There's my man, Lottery Stocks. What's going on, dude? Luna 4, see you later. V for Vodka, Wisconsin, baby D's nuts. Dim Bro, Raza International Trading Co. All of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. AMC Trapper, always. Peace out to the diamond-handed apes. Lottery Stocks. All of you guys, if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.